Hi, this is Elisa, Director of Operations with REProphet. I wanted to take a moment to welcome you and walk you through getting your account set up. We'll go through all of this with you and answer any questions you might have in your live one-on-one onboarding, but if you want to get a head start, here's how you do it. You're going to log in and you'll start. The first page you'll see is your profit and loss report. You're not going to see any numbers because none of your data is in REProphet yet. You're going to go to your upper right-hand corner, click on your name, and click on Manage Account. That's going to move you to your profile page. This is where you'll reset your password. Follow the prompts and instructions, then click Save after you've written the initial password and confirm that the passwords match and you get green check marks. Click Save, and that will be your password moving forward to log into REProphet. On the left, you can see Manage Account. Under Manage Account, you're going to want to click Financial Accounts. You're not going to see any of this banking data in your account. It's going to be a blank space until you add your bank. Click on Account Management. Account Management will bring you to our third-party banking API, Finicity. Finicity is a MasterCard company with over 25 years of experience in the financial technology sector, and it is the API that we use to keep all of your data securely encrypted on the side of your bank. All REProphet gets on our end are your aggregated transactions that you've given permission to flow over into REProphet. You're going to click Next. And this is where you'll find your specific institutions. You can search your bank. If you don't see it represented by those larger bank logos that you saw, then click on your bank. When you do that, it's going to bring you to a couple prompts. You're just going to follow the prompts. Here, this is actually where you will put your username and password that you log in to your bank with. With larger banks, it may bring you to an entirely different website, your bank website. You'll type in your username and password the same way you would your logins that you use to sign into online banking. Then you'll click Submit. When you click Submit, it should redirect you to REProphet's financial accounts page again. So since I'm not actually adding an account, I'm doing this manually, but you should be redirected once you've walked through and followed your prompts of submitting each account and saving each account, whatever your bank prompts you to do. So it should move you back to this page. And when you're back on this page, it should no longer be empty, but you should see your credit or bank accounts listed here. If you don't see the buttons refresh or re-authenticate, great, you are connected and can move over to the transactions page to see how much data flowed from your bank into REProphet. If you see the refresh or re-authenticate buttons, that is totally normal, and you can just click refresh. And when you click refresh, you'll be prompted to move through a couple steps here. You may be asked some additional multi-factor security questions. After you've clicked confirm, move through whatever prompts the system sends your way. And once you're done doing that, you should get a notification that says, congratulations, your accounts are connected, etc. Or you may click confirm, see a small spinning circle here, and it will say, congratulations, your accounts are connected, you're all set. Once that happens, this page will actually reload. And when it reloads, you should no longer see the refresh or re-authenticate buttons. That indicates that your accounts are connected successfully and data is flowing into REProphet. Click on the transactions page. And when you click on that transactions page, you should see your financial account listed here on the left. And there's probably going to be some account information that has come over. Some accounts send many transactions, months of transactions data. Some banks send a week at first and then send a batch of transactions over the next 24 hours, or perhaps it will just stay at about a week or 2 weeks. We won't know. Each bank is different. Each bank sends whatever information they want to send over. So once we know how much information we have here, we can go to your banking website and export as a CSV your banking data to back your account up to January 1st to make sure that you're ready for tax time. And if you are able to do that on your own, that's awesome. We can get that data into your account. If you can just send your CSV file of banking data to support@reprofit.com, indicate the specific sub-account by giving us the last 4 numbers. By the way, this is our firsthand account, so we're able to see account numbers. When we're in your account, we cannot see account numbers. It will give us the last 4 digits only, just so you know. And then when we have that CSV, we can click Import File. We'll format it to the correct format for import, which you can see right here. We also have an import template that you can download here. And we'll just import a file to bring everything up to date inside of your account. Obviously, I hadn't chosen a file, so it gave me a little error message. But when you import your file, there's also an AI categorization that's going to help bring in your data with some pre-categorization. That is the basics of getting started. I know that there's a ton more to learn. By the way, you will not see an error code at the top of your screen when your accounts are successfully connected. If you do see an error code, click inside of the error code and follow the prompts. That will make sure that will basically make sure that everything is connected and functioning as it is supposed to inside of REProphet. Those are just the basics of getting started. Again, we'll go through everything with you during your live onboarding, but I just wanted to let you know if you wanted to get a head start, that's how you do it. Thanks again for becoming a part of the REProphet community, and welcome. We're so excited to get started. Have a great rest of your day, and if you have any questions, you can always contact us at support@reprofit.com, or you can click the Need Help logo in the lower right, which will call up our FAQ, which is searchable. You can also create a ticket with support here and submit it, or you can email support@reprofit.com and we will get back to you as quickly as possible. Thanks again and welcome.